everyone, welcome back. If you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you might have noticed some delays, glitches, or outdated responses. These things could be related to your cache, so today we'll go over how to clear the ChatGPT cache and why doing so might be the solution you need to get things running smoother. Quick disclaimer, this guide is based on my personal experience and research. Always make sure to follow official instructions from the platform for the best results. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about why you might want to clear the cache. Your browser or app stores certain data to make future interactions faster. But over time, this stored data can cause slowdowns, errors, or even prevent the app from working properly. Clearing the cache can help resolve these issues. If you're using ChatGPT on a desktop, here's how to clear the cache. Open your browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. Go to your browser settings or preferences. Look for privacy and security or a similar section. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cached Images and Files and click on Clear Data. Some platforms, including ChatGPT, might have a built-in option to clear cache in their settings. Check if this option is available within ChatGPT's settings menu by navigating to the settings icon, usually in the bottom left or top right. If you're using ChatGPT on your mobile device, follow these steps. Go to your device's settings, find the app section, then scroll and select the ChatGPT app. Tap on storage and select clear cache. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.